Hey guys, so I was looking for how you can possibly fix the Synology QuickConnect issue when it's not working. Now, someone wrote here, I ended up doing the whole reconnection of the QuickConnect service and it seemed to work. And in my case, I saw the lack of connectivity with QuickConnect, disabling and re-enabling on effective Synology. It happened to me with the Unify Express that I installed at home. So maybe this is going to help fix the issue. I just want to make you this quick and effective video. What is the thing that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to help. If not, that I'm sorry, but yeah, try it out. Maybe it's going to help. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.